goodbye to dropped screws and wasted time. MagMaster V2 transforms your wrist into a magnetic command center. Packed with powerful rare earth magnets, this beast grips onto screws, nails, bolts, and bits like it's got a sixth sense. Whether you're under a car, up a ladder, or elbows deep in a project, your parts stay right where you need them. It's insanely convenient, ridiculously strong, and built for real-world work. The strap is breathable, adjustable, and tough enough for any job site. No more digging through toolboxes or crawling across the floor for that one last bolt. Perfect for mechanics, builders, and weekend warriors alike. Slip it on, load it up, and let your wrist do the heavy lifting. With MagMaster V2, your tools follow you, literally. The WrinGo is a total game-changer for tile pros and cleanup crews who are done wrestling with dirty sponges. This compact powerhouse squeezes out water and grime in seconds, saving your hands and your time. Just feed the sponge in, and it's wrung out like magic. Clean, quick, and ready to go again. Perfect for grouting, washing, and detailing without the mess or fatigue. Its rugged build handles job site abuse, and the quiet motor keeps the workflow smooth. No more dripping floors or worn-out wrists. Just clean results faster than ever. Whether you're tiling a floor or scrubbing equipment, WrinGo brings serious convenience. Plug it in, press the lever, and let it do the dirty work. Your sponge has never had it so good. Cutting metal and vinyl just got smarter with the Jamesway Slitter, a precision beast that slices clean, fast, and effortlessly. Its adjustable design lets you dial in exact widths for perfect panel fits every time. No more fighting with tin snips or risking jagged edges. This tool delivers straight, clean cuts with zero drama. Built tough for the job site, but smooth enough for fine finishes, it's a dream for roofers, siders, and metal fabricators. Its ergonomic grip gives total control, and the lightweight frame makes it easy to carry all day. Whether you're custom fitting trim or prepping ductwork, it's fast, accurate, and ridiculously satisfying. You'll wonder how you ever worked without it. Say goodbye to waste and hello to efficiency. The Jamesway Slitter cuts time, waste, and metal like a pro. Say goodbye to backbreaking hauls. The MAKITA DCU601 is your rugged electric wheelbarrow powered by twin 18V LXT batteries for unstoppable muscle. Whether it's sandbags, bricks, or tools, this beast carries up to 300 kg like it's nothing. Its variable speed control and reverse gear let you conquer hills, slopes, and mud with zero sweat. You've got disc brakes for safety and LED headlights for after-hours grind. The flatbed and bucket options adapt to any task, making it the ultimate site mover. It's quiet, clean, and cuts down on crew fatigue instantly. When the load's heavy, let the MAKITA do the lifting. This wheelbarrow doesn't push, it powers through. QUBE packs 3 precision tools into one sleek cube that levels, measures angles, and calculates distances in seconds. With dual LED screens, ultra-sensitive sensors, and rock-solid accuracy, it's a digital beast built for builders. Hang shelves, frame walls, or check pipe angles with confidence and zero guesswork. Its compact body slips into your pocket, but its capabilities rival your entire measuring drawer. The laser distance function saves time on big layouts, while the angle and level modes are perfect for tricky alignments. Rechargeable and rugged, it's always ready for work. Whether you're DIY or on the job site, it makes every measurement smooth. One tool, 3 modes, total control. QUBE brings laser-sharp precision to your fingertips. Handy Brew is your rugged, ready-anywhere coffee press for life on the move and jobs that never pause. This tool-inspired coffee maker is built tough, brews strong, and works without filters or electricity. Just add your favorite grounds, pour in hot water, press, and sip. It's that simple. Designed for tradespeople, adventurers, and caffeine warriors, it fits right in your toolbox or backpack. The insulated body keeps your brew hot for hours, and the spill-proof lid means no mess on the go. It's a zero-fuss upgrade for break time, tailgates, or remote campsites. Durable, reusable, and surprisingly stylish, Handy Brew makes fresh coffee feel like part of the toolkit. Brew it strong, take it anywhere, and stay fueled. Your shift just got a whole lot smoother. The Udoubi laser level sticks like a pro and beams like a boss with its genius vacuum suction and 360-degree laser projection. Just press it to tile, drywall, or glass. No tripod, no mounting tape, and it holds steady while you work. Auto-leveling ensures pinpoint accuracy in seconds, and the bright green beam wraps walls for full room alignment. Whether you're installing cabinets, framing walls, or tiling floors, this tool saves time and frustration. It's compact, rechargeable, and built to survive serious sites. The self-adjusting vacuum adapts to surfaces for a secure hold that lasts all day. With QUBE, you get pro-level precision without the hassle. It's the laser level that's always in position and never in the way. Stick it, set it, and let the lines guide you. The freeform Revolve takes the pain out of painting with a 360-degree rotating handle that adapts to your every move. No more twisting your wrist into awkward angles. This brush stays comfortable and precise from start to finish. Whether you're edging trim, cutting corners, or filling in tight spots, it adjusts to keep strokes smooth and steady. The soft grip handle reduces fatigue, while the brush head delivers pro-quality coverage with less effort. It's reusable, easy to clean, and built to outlast the job. From touch-ups to full-room refreshes, this tool keeps your technique flawless. The rotating action gives you more control with fewer mistakes. Painting smarter starts in your hands. Freeform. Revolve makes every stroke feel just right. Koenig's Masterfine 360 is a sleek, all-in-one digital scribing tool designed to dominate layout tasks with high-tech precision. Whether you're marking angles, spacing holes, or drawing curves, this digital beast delivers flawless accuracy with a tap. Its full circle rotating head and LCD screen let you set and lock angles with ridiculous ease. Magnetic base? Check. Built-in scale? You bet. It clings to metal, glides over wood, and makes plastic behave. The compact body is tough, rechargeable, and ready for the roughest job sites. Ideal for machinists, carpenters, and tech-hungry makers who want pro results. Say goodbye to rulers and guesswork. Masterfine 360 turns layout into laser-guided artistry. Draw lines with confidence, precision, and a smile. The Batavia 3-in-1 is the transformer of ladders, shifting between stepladder, extension, and scaffold in seconds flat. Built with heavy-duty aluminum, it's rock-solid yet surprisingly lightweight, letting you carry and reposition it with ease. Its locking joints snap securely into place, so setup is safe and lightning fast. Whether you're painting high walls, changing bulbs, or working on roofs, this ladder adapts to your height and need. Anti-slip rungs and wide feet keep you steady even on uneven ground. Fold it, flip it, stretch it. Whatever the job needs, this ladder's got your back. It's like having 3 ladders in one compact powerhouse. Save space, save time, and reach new heights with Batavia. When versatility meets durability, this is what it looks like. Say goodbye to back-breaking post removal with the NW Quick Pull. This beast rips out fence posts with zero digging, drama, or damage. Just hook it, jack it, and watch the post pop out like a soda cork. Whether it's concrete set, wooden, or rotted to the core, it handles it all without bending you out of shape. The rugged frame and lever action give you serious lifting power in a lightweight package. No need for machinery, no soil mess, just clean removals every time. It's perfect for DIYers, landscapers, and pros who value speed and spine health. Set it up in seconds. Clear the post in minutes. This tool turns tough jobs into quick wins. Fence gone, yard clean, back saved. The Ziraco Hammer Jet is like a turbocharged leaf blower for wet roads. It blasts moisture away with high-velocity jet heat. This beast dries pavement in seconds, so you can stripe, seal, or paint without delays. Powered by jet turbine tech, it pushes hot air at insane speeds and handles rough surfaces like a champ. No waiting for sun, no fighting puddles, just instant dry and ready-to-work ground. It's engineered for speed, reliability, and maximum uptime. Great for airports, highways, or construction zones where time is money. Hook it up, fire it up, and unleash the dry storm. Weather won't stop your schedule now. The Ziraco turns wet workdays into smooth progress. Meet Turbo Blade, the lightning-fast motorized tape measure that zooms in and retracts with just a button press. Say goodbye to reeling it back manually or fighting kinks and jams. With a built-in high-speed motor, this tool flies out, locks tight, and zips back in like a boss. It's tough, compact, and built for pros who measure often and don't waste seconds. The display gives digital readouts for max precision, and it stores your last measurements for double checks. Whether you're laying floors, framing, or wiring, it speeds up every step. A tool belt hero that works smarter, not harder. Hit the button, mark the line, and move on. Turbo Blade keeps the pace fast and frustration-free. The Slammer is Demolition's best friend, a sledgehammer, crowbar, and digging bar fused into one savage tool. With its shock-dampening handle and sheer smashing power, it tears through roots, concrete, and junk like nothing else. Slam it down, twist, and pry. It's that satisfying. Built to endure the nastiest jobs, it saves your back and multiplies your force. The pointed tip digs deep, while the flat side blasts debris wide open. Landscapers, plumbers, and demo crews swear by its muscle. No moving parts, no breakdowns, just brutal, simple power. It's not pretty, it's not polite. It's just unstoppable. Swing the slammer and feel the ground shake. Tired of chasing runaway cable spools? The CRD-10 is your real wrangling solution, keeping wires flowing tangle-free and steady. This folding frame holds up to 32 reels and sets up in seconds for job site efficiency. Its smooth rolling axles feed cable with zero snags or snarl-ups, making installs fast and frustration-free. Built tough with steel construction but light enough to carry, it folds flat for van storage. Whether you're running fiber, coax, or power, it keeps everything clean and moving. Say goodbye to tangled messes and hello to streamlined setups. The CRD-10 saves your time, your cable, and your sanity. Drop it down, roll it out, and get to work. The spring roll is the low-profile hero of cable runs. It's compact, rugged, and glides like butter under even the heaviest loads. With its spring-loaded rollers, it keeps cable moving smoothly around corners, under racks, and across long hallways. It's small enough to fit anywhere but strong enough to handle serious spools without slipping. Built with pro-grade steel and rubber rollers, it won't damage delicate wiring or scuff floors. Ideal for network techs, electricians, and anyone laying long lines in tight spaces. Pop it down, feed the wire, and let it roll. No snags, no drag. Stack multiples for long pulls. The spring roll makes wire work smooth, simple, and fast. Bottle loom is the sleek, sharp tool that turns trash into treasure by slicing plastic bottles into tough, reusable strips. Made with premium titanium, this cutter handles bottles like butter and delivers consistent, clean ribbons every time. Just insert, twist, and pull. The tool does the work. Perfect for crafting rope, garden ties, or even emergency paracord alternatives. It's compact enough to go anywhere, yet strong enough for industrial use. Makers, homesteaders, and eco-warriors will love its simplicity and strength. No power needed, no maintenance, just raw recycling power. Turn every plastic bottle into something useful. Bottle loom cuts, waste, and builds possibilities. The M12 Raptor XL isn't just a pipe cutter. It's a precision powerhouse designed to slice through stainless steel like it's paper. One-handed operation, auto-adjusting jaws, and the legendary Milwaukee torque make it a plumber's dream. It delivers clean, burr-free cuts with a motor that means serious business. Whether you're on a ladder, in a crawl space, or deep in an install, this cutter shines with LED lights and a compact form. Built for the job site grind, it rips through pipes up to 54 millimeters with zero sparks or fuss. No room, no problem. It's fast, quiet, and mess-free. Grab it, clamp it, and cut with confidence. The Raptor XL takes cutting stainless to a new level of smooth. Sharpen everything from scissors to chisels with the EdgeMate Pro, the all-in-one edge revival station that breathes life into dull tools. With interchangeable cartridges, you switch from fine to coarse in seconds for exact control. This compact powerhouse works with knives, blades, garden shears, you name it. Non-slip base keeps it grounded, while the high-quality abrasives work magic. Perfect for the workshop, kitchen, or garage, it gives your tools a razor-sharp finish without expensive replacements. Whether you're restoring vintage steel or tuning up your everyday gear, this sharpener delivers edge after edge of brilliance. Slide, sharpen, and feel the bite. EdgeMate makes every tool feel brand new. Silence the chaos without missing a beat. Klein's Bluetooth earmuffs protect your hearing while streaming your playlist or job site calls. These behind-the-head beauties pair with your device for crystal-clear audio and noise-canceling performance. Built rugged for real work, they block up to 25 dB of racket while staying comfy through long hours. The mic stays clear even in loud zones, so your voice cuts through like a pro. Sweat-resistant, drop-tough, and ANSI-rated. They keep you safe and connected. Great for carpenters, electricians, and machine operators. Wear them, jam out, and stay sharp. These muffs don't just block sound. They bring your workspace to life. The L300 is the magnet-powered cleanup beast that makes nails, screws, and metal debris vanish from job sites. With a 30-inch wide sweep and a sturdy aluminum body, it glides over concrete and gravel like a magnetized vacuum. Whether it's post-demo, roofing, or garage cleanup, this roller pulls metal fast and leaves nothing behind. Adjustable handle lets you pick your angle and a quick-release trigger dumps the load in seconds. No bending, no raking, just roll and collect. It keeps your tires safe and your site spotless. From construction zones to workshops, the L300 saves time and serious frustration. Clean ground, clean finish, zero hassle. This futuristic workhorse from Max is the ultimate rebar tying robot. Fully autonomous and tireless, it zips through tasks with unmatched precision. Built for big concrete jobs, it detects positions, wraps wire, and ties it tighter and faster than any crew. No more wrist pain, slowdowns, or uneven ties. Just program the layout, and this mobile bot does the rest while navigating your site like a boss. It boosts safety, cuts labor costs, and keeps your project on schedule. Ideal for large-scale infrastructure, flooring, or bridge work where productivity counts. The future is on your job site now. Let the robot do the tying while your crew focuses on the next step. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.